So last year was a big year for Lenovo because they completely redesigned the Legion line to make it a lot more attractive. They basically created a laptop that you could take to work but still game on. So why break that when it's doing so well? So this year you have the exact same experience, the Y540. It's a budget gaming laptop that will get you gaming immediately. You have great cooling. This year they actually increased the cooling efficiency by 16%. You have the same sort of chassis, but they made some updates inside to improve the overall gaming experience. You have the same amount of ports. So on the left-hand side, your USB 3.0 port, your audio jack. On the other side, you have another USB port, and the cool thing about the Legion gaming lineup, compared to like other laptops, is that they put the majority of the ports on the back. And when you put the ports on the back, they don't come sticking out of the sides of your laptop on your table. So it looks actually nice and clean if you have this as a desktop setup at home. Now, unfortunately, there's still no USB Thunderbolt 3, but there is USB Type-C in case you want to connect other peripherals to it. You do have brighter displays this year, so if you're gaming and for whatever reason you want to have punchier colors, these models are going to offer that. And if you want G-Sync, you could actually get that now, but you're going to have to switch to the brand new Lenovo Y740. Now, this guy is not only 144 Hertz, but you also get G-Sync with it. So when you're gaming, you're going to have like no screen tearing whatsoever. And if you want the RGB keyboard, you have the partnership with Corsair, which is the iCUE, which will allow you to change the different colors in the different zones on your laptop. Now you do have a similar port setup, you do have the RGB lighting in the cooling system, which looks fantastic, and you also have the exact same port setup on the back to keep your desk clean. Now the reason to go to the Y740 compared to the Y540 is for the premium design. Unlike the Y540, you actually get a metal laptop. It's a bit heavier, but it gives the gaming laptop a lot more attractive look, making it more of a premium product. Now you guys are probably wondering, what GPUs are inside of here? Well, unfortunately, I can't tell you yet. But once NVIDIA announces them tomorrow, I'll place an update in the description down below. But what you can imagine is the brand new RTX cards. Now, if this had a 1050 Ti last year, then this year it's probably gonna have like an RTX variant of it. So maybe a 2060, maybe a 2050 or a 2050 Ti. Either way, there'll be an update in the description down below. The Y540 is gonna go on sale in May. It'll start around $930. And then you have the option to buy this in a 15-inch and a 17-inch version, which will start at around $1,550. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're following me on Instagram for some behind the scenes. Stay tuned for the rest of CS 2019, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.